How to place an order in Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can place an order in Temu app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply open up your Temu app. If you don't have the app, you can install it from your Google App Store or Play Store. After you open up your Temu app, simply search for a product that you want to buy. So after you open up the product, you will see different versions of it. You can see the specifics of the product. So after you like the product, what you'll need to do is choose the quantity. You will see the option here to add more quantity. So after you select the quantity, you can either add it to cart or you can simply tap on buy now to place an order. So let's tap on buy now. And after you do that, you'll need to fill in your information. So after you fill in your information, your name, your address, and after your address, your phone number, tap on save. And after you tap on save, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add your payment details, that is your credit card or any other way that you want to pay. After you do that, you'll simply need to tap on submit order. And after you tap on submit order, you are basically good to go. That is how you place an order in Temu app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.